Hey gambling enthusiasts! Today we're delving into the world of online gambling and showing you how to access Stake.com using a VPN. Stick around for an exclusive bonus using the promo code WINCLUB for perpetual cashback and bonuses up to $100,000 for new users. Stake.com, a popular online casino and betting platform, might be restricted in certain regions. To overcome this, we recommend using a VPN with servers in Canada, since Stake is officially represented there. Step 1. Choose a reliable VPN service. To maximize your experience with Stake.com, opt for one with servers in Canada or Singapore. This ensures a smoother connection and better access to the platform. Step 2. Download and install the VPN software on your device. It's usually a straightforward process, just follow the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Open the VPN app. Choose a server in Canada or Singapore and connect. This will change your virtual location to Canada, aligning with Stake.com's official presence there. And now for the exciting part, access Stake.com. Thanks to the VPN, you should now be able to visit the site without any location restrictions. But wait, there's more. For all our new users, use the promo code WINCLUB when signing up to unlock exclusive perks, including perpetual cashback and bonuses up to $100,000. It's our way of saying thanks for joining Stake through our YouTube channel. And that's it, guys. You've successfully unlocked Stake using a VPN and snagged an exclusive bonus with the WINCLUB promo code. Now go ahead, explore the platform and enjoy the thrilling world of online gaming. Remember to gamble responsibly. Happy gaming and until next time.